Good morning children. Median of the group data only we are continuing here. Already we done one sum in the last class. The next is sum. Calculate the median for the following distribution. Class 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45. Corresponding frequencies are 5, 6, 15, 10, 5, 4, 2, 2. Then we can write the solution now. So we have written in a column wise class interval 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, and the last one is 40 to 45, and F, that is the frequency 5, 6, 15, 10, 5, 4, 2, 2. So median is the question. So what is the next step? Cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency, that is CF only. So we'll write here CF. So the first one, there is no change, it is 5, 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 15, it is 26, 26 plus 10, 36, 36 plus 5, 41, 41 plus 4, 45, then 47, next it is 49. Okay, if we add this one, you will get 49 only. So sigma Fi equal to 49. Now n equal to 49. So n by 2. Don't confuse odd and even number. It is not required for a grouped data. N by 2 means 49 by 2. That is equal to 24 by 24.5. Now just above 24.5, just above greater than 24.5, which is that one, 26 in the cumulative frequency table. Put it in box, that one, 26, 15, 15 to 20. So what we should write? This is our median class. So if the space is not here, then we should write here only median class, and F here. CF where we should write not against 26, up to 26, it is our CF. All the things we are marking in the table, it will be easy for giving the mark and all, because marking scheme, each point, each things, whatever is we are doing the steps, it will be calculated. So what is left now? L and H. L equal to 15 and H equal to 20 minus 15, that is equal to 5. Now what we can write? We can write the formula. Median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F. I hope into H. I hope you understood each letter's meaning. L is the lower limit, that is 15. N by 2 already we have calculated 24.5, and CF we have marked in the diagram, it is 11, and divided by F. F it is 15, then into 5 only. So what is 5 and 15? We can calculate, cancel here, it is 3 only. Next, so 15 plus 13.5. What is the difference here? 13.5 divided by 3. After the simplification, what is the answer we'll get? It is equal to 19.5. So median for this particular data, it is equal to 19.5. I hope you understood. What is the formula? L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So again, what is the step to be written? First step is cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency we have done, it is equal to 49. So from the 49, n by 2 is calculated, it is equal to 24.5, and just above 24.5, which is the greater number, it is 26 in the cumulative frequency table. So all the three things we have put it in a box. So median class we got, frequency we got, and cumulative frequency up to the median class also we have marked. In addition to this, L and H to be taken down. Then formula, then substitution, then solving only. So calculation we have done. So what is the median? Median equal to 19.5. Find the median class interval 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, 90 to 99, 100 to 109, 110 to 119. Here what is the problem? It is not a continuous class interval. So it's a discontinuous one. We have to make it into a continuous one by adding and subtracting 0.5, because 1 is the difference, 69 and 70, 1 is the difference, so 1 divided by 2, 0.5 only. So we'll write here class interval 60 to 69 and 70 to 79. Corresponding frequencies we will write 5 and 15. So we completed the table. Now what is the next step? We have to do the true class limits, because it's not a continuous, it is an inclusive method. We need an exclusive method, true class limits now. So here 69 and 71 is the difference, half of 1, it is 0.5. So from the upper limit we should add 60.5, 69.5, 79.5. I think you remember, because the last two examples we done mean and also I think median, mode. So 99.5, the upper limit not difficult, we have to add only. Next 119.5. Once we got 69.5 is starting from the second class lower limit. But what happened here? From 60 we have to subtract 0.5. So it will be 59.5 only. Now it is easy. 69.5. What is the next one? 79.5. Next 89.5. Next 99.5. Then last one, it is 109.5 is the lower limit. Now one more step we required, that is cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency means added frequency. It's very clear to you now. 5 plus 15, 20, 20 plus 20, 40, then 40 plus 30, 70, 70 plus 10, it is 80, then 88. Okay. So if we add this one, 88 only we will get. So sigma fi, that is our cross checking step only. So sum of the frequency equal to last cumulative frequency. Now what is the next step? N by 2 should be calculated. N by 2 equal to 88 by 2, it is equal to 44. So just above 44, which number is coming? In the cumulative frequency table, it is 70 is coming. So we will write here. Don't think that it is very far away, because by rule, which is the next number? So we will mark like this, and here also. So which is the median class? Median class is equal to 89.5 to 99.5. So what is our lower limit? Lower limit equal to 89.5 and frequency equal to 30. Okay, CF equal to 40. H is equal to 10 only, because the difference is 99.5 minus 89.5. So H is equal to 10. Now what is left? Is CF L median equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Now we can write the formula. So median equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. So all the things we have written here, so we can write down that 89.5 plus N by 2 is 44 minus 40 divided by F means 30 into 10. So 89.5 plus 4 into 10 by 30. So 89.5 plus 4 by 3. So 89.5 plus 1.33, that is equal to 90.83. 3, which is the median of the given data. So we have calculated here. What is the difference here? The class is not continuous. We converted them into continuous class interval. Find the median. Class mark is given 115, 125, 135, 145, that is 145, 155, 165, 175, 185 and 195 is the last one. The frequency 6, 25, 48, 72, 116, 60, 38 and 22, and the last one is 3 only. So actually it is given class mark. So we'll write here class mark. Class mark, it is 115, 125, 135, 145, 155. The last one is 195 only. Now what is the corresponding frequencies are 6, 25, 48, 72, 116, 60, 38, 22 and then 3 only. Now we can add and see that what is the sum also. Before that we need class interval here. How to calculate a class interval when the class mark is given? So what we should write here means what is the difference between the two consecutive values of class mark. So the difference between two consecutive class mark equal to 10. So the 10 by 2, that is lower limit of the class means class mark minus 10 by 2. In this case class mark minus 5. Similarly, upper limit of the class means class mark plus 10 by 2 equal to class mark plus 5. So for example 155 is the class mark. What is the class mark? 15 is the class mark. 115 is the class mark. So what is the lower limit? Lower limit means subtraction from 5. That is a subtraction 5 from 115. So it is equal to 110. Now adding 5 to the getting upper limit. So 115 plus 5, that is 120. Once again 115 minus 5, that is the lower limit, and 115 plus 5, that is the upper limit. One more class mark we will consider, that is 125. So 125 minus 5, so which is that lower limit? 120. Now how to calculate upper limit? 125 plus 5, that is equal to 130. So the second class mark is, class interval is 120 as the lower limit, 130 as the upper limit. So we got the idea. We should add 5 for getting the upper limit and subtract 5 for getting the lower limit. Now we can go back to our class mark. So here upper limit we can write easily, right? So adding only. So 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, then 200. Once we got, we can complete easily also. Means from here 120 will go. So 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, then 190. But here what happens? 115 minus 5, it is equal to 110 only. So we already having frequency. Now what is left for us? Cumulative frequency. We got original class interval by adding and subtracting plus 5 for getting the upper limit as well as getting the lower limit. Now the cumulative frequency only, just add and go. The frequency 6 plus 25, it is 31, 31 plus 48, it is 79, 79 plus 72, it is 151, then 151 plus 116, it is 267, then it is 60, that is 327. Next 327 plus 38, 65 only. Next 387, then 7 plus 3, that is 390. So sigma fi equal to 390 only. Now we can calculate n by 2. N by 2 equal to 390 by 2, that is equal to 195. So just above 195, it is 267 only. So we will write here the median class, everything we will put it in a box, F, CF. Then here median class, the space is less, so I am writing here median class equal to 150 to 160, L equal to 150, H is equal to 10, CF is equal to 151. Now what is the formula? We can write a median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So what is L? 150 plus 195 minus 151 divided by F is 116 into 10. See here F is not written, F equal to 116 also. Okay. Now if we simplify, 150 plus 195 minus 151. So 150 here I'll write here 44 by 116 into 10. So final answer it will be 153.80. So the median for this one. So class mark is given. Such type of the question can be asked for mean also, mode also. We are not done there. So here we have solved a median. So you can go for mean and mode questions also. Sometimes they will give class mark. So take the difference and half of the value will be added to the upper limit and subtracted subtracted from the class mark to get the lower limit. Given below is the cumulative frequency distribution showing the marks secured by 50 students of a class. Marks are below 20, below 40, below 60, below the 80 and below 100. What are the corresponding number of students? Number of students are 17, 22, 29, 37, 50. So already it is a less than cumulative frequency distribution table and this is our CF. More than it is different only. So CF means cumulative frequency, added frequency is given and below is the table, so less than cumulative frequency only. So whenever below table is given or less than cumulative distribution is given, what is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100? It is all upper limit. So class interval we can write here, upper limit as a 20, then 40, then 60, 80, 100. Now lower limit we have to go for this. So 80 and 220 is the difference. So 0 to 20, then 20 to 40, 40 will come here, 60, then 80. We can write easily. So frequency we required. So what is the less than cumulative frequency means? The first one below 20, that is 0 to 20 and below 20 it is same only. The same frequency we should take down, that is 17. Next 22 minus 17. 22 minus 17 it is 5 only. Next 29 minus 22 it is 7. 37 minus 29 it is 8. 50 minus 37 it is 13. Just add, it is equal to sigma fi equal to 50. Now we can cross check this one. It is our CF only, 17 plus 5, 22. So added frequency only, less than cumulative frequency, nothing to be changed, as it is same only, we can go. Now 50 is there, so n by 2 we can calculate. So class interval we got n by 2 is 25. Just above 25, which number is coming in the cumulative frequency distribution table? It is 29. So here we can write it is cumulative frequency only. So here F, this is median class. Next, cumulative frequency table, we should write CF, right? So we got here CF also. Now L is what? 40, H is 20 only. So I'll write here median class equal to 40 to 60. Next, L equal to 40, H is equal to 20, then frequency of the median class is equal to 7, and CF equal to 22. So these are the values we got. Now formula we can write median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Substitute the values. 40 plus 25 minus 22 by 7 into H means 20. So all the values we got, substitute and simplify, we will get 48.55. So here what is the point you have to remember? This means below means less than cumulative frequency table. So whatever table is given for cumulative frequency here, that is as same as our CF only. So with this today's class I am winding up. Practice more different types of the questions I had given today. Some more questions I will bring for the next class. Thank you.